The Simpsons have once again made a significant prediction regarding XRP. This is something that should be watched by anyone who has an investment in XRP or XRP tokens. What kind of impact does the most recent news about XRP have on the value of XRP, I will answer all of your questions and more in today's video, which will also cover all of the new information that has just come out regarding XRP and how its price is likely to grow. There is still a big potential that you will become a billionaire from XRP, and I will address all of your questions and more. Due to the fact that I have put a lot of time and attention into this video, you should watch it in its entirety if you are interested in learning how to raise the prices of your products or services. It is imperative that you subscribe to Crypto Next Gen Hub in order to stay up to date on all the most recent XRP news, predictions, and market trends. On this platform, we provide you with the most significant stories in the cryptocurrency industry on a daily basis. We would appreciate it if you would use the like button and enable post alerts so that we can continue to provide you with more Bitcoin news. Taking a look at the chart, we are able to see how the price of XRP is performing on October 2nd. Should we consider this before we move on to our first point? Getting a subscriber, enjoying this video, and leaving a comment that says XRP is king will, in a nutshell, get you included into our daily contest for 50 XRP. Hope that everything turns out okay. The price of XRP has increased by 0.7% today and by 5.4% over the course of the previous week. While there are currently 48 billion XRP coins in circulation, there are a total of 100 billion XRP coins in circulation. It is important to conduct your own research before investing your money in the cryptocurrency market because the values being discussed in the video may have shifted by the time you watch it. This is not advice dealing with finances. When it comes to buying and selling XRP online, KuCoin, eToro, and GateHub are recognized as some of the most popular platforms. First things first, let's not waste any more time than we already have. Let's watch the video a little bit now. XRP is being updated. Ripple's future appears to be bright in light of recent developments in the dispute. Ripple is expecting for favorable modifications as a result of the Supreme Court's potential reconsideration of the Chevron deference, which might potentially change the verdicts in CC cases and projections regarding cryptocurrencies. It is expected that the Supreme Court would target agency powers. According to Ripple Chief Legal Officer Stuart Al-Thoradi, who uploaded a banner on Sunday, the banner is the title of a story that was published in the Wall Street Journal on Saturday. The article highlighted the imminent intentions of the United States Supreme Court. According to the information that has been circulating, the Chevron deference doctrine will be examined by the Supreme Court. An incident that took place in 1984 and included the Natural Resources Defense Council (NRDC), and Chevron serves as the foundation for this theory. According to the National Resource Defense Council (NRDC), the Chevron deference is defined in this manner. Chevron deference, also known as discretion over the topic, is something that federal judges afford to agencies in situations when there is a disagreement on the interpretation of a statute. An example of a two-pronged criteria has been created by the Supreme Court. The context and language of a statute are analyzed by Congress in order to ascertain whether or not the aims of the legislature are clear. When it is made evident, the problem has been resolved. On the occasion when the wording of a statute contains ambiguities that allow for more than one interpretation to be possible, it is necessary for the reviewing court to show respect for the agency's discretion in matters pertaining to the implementation of the law. According to the National Resources Defense Council (NRDC), the notion of Chevron deference could lead to anarchy. The interpretation of the law that the judges feel most comfortable with would be up to them to decide. Due to the fact that there are 850 judges working on lower courts and the prevalence of political appointments, the National Republican Congressional Committee (NRDC) comes to the conclusion that the goal of those who are seeking to remove Chevron deference is likely not to be realized. It's possible that this is the one that we end up with. Because of the anticipated chaos in the cryptocurrency market, lawmakers on Capitol Hill will most likely be compelled to approve Bitcoin legislation, which is desperately required. In the event that the SEC's regulation by enforcement reign came to an end, the digital asset market in the United States would reap significant benefits. Charts showing the daily price fluctuation of XRP on the market. Bearish sentiment is prevalent in the short term as a result of the fact that XRP is trading above the 200-day exponential moving average but below the 50-day EMA. Pricing indicators that are positive in the long run are also included. A break above the 50-day exponential moving average EMA would imply a negative trend reversal and would provide support for the trend line. Additionally, the trend line would be supported. Opinions of lawmakers in the United States, actions taken by the Securities and Exchange Commission and developments in the ongoing litigation between the SEC and Ripple and Coinbase will all have an effect on the sentiment of investors. In the event that the price falls below the 200-day exponential moving average, the bears will have the objective of achieving the $0.5042 support level as their target. There is a possibility that prices would go below $0.48 if the support level of $0.5042 is breached. Should the daily RSI reading remain around 55.3914, it may indicate that prices are on the verge of breaking out of the 50-day exponential moving average EMA, moving closer to the trend line, and then entering the zone of overbought circumstances. Due to the fact that it is higher than the exponential moving averages for both the 50-day and the 200-day time periods, the 3-hour time series price movement on the 4-hourly chart of XRP is bullish. Maintaining a position above the exponential moving average EMA for the past 200 days is necessary for XRP to be able to hit the trend line. If, on the other hand, the 200-day exponential moving average were to decline, this would indicate that prices would go through the 50-day EMA and head toward the $0.5042 support level. With an RSI value of 59.12 for the Fort King-4 hourly, it is possible that XRP will cross the trend line before entering the zone of overbought circumstances. If you are still here, I would appreciate it if you would show your support for the channel by subscribing, liking, and commenting on this video. In addition, make sure that you are paying attention so that you do not miss anything. Let's get down to the matter at hand. The continuation of the video can be found in the what follows. Once more, the Simpsons have a powerful prediction for the future. Is it even conceivable to retire with the same degree of success that the Simpsons indicated might be achieved? According to one of the Simpsons forecasts, the price of XRP will reach $589 in future. The footage for the performance, which demonstrates the distributed ledger technology that XRP Ripple utilizes, was made available to the public some time ago. They remark at the beginning of the show that it is possible to retire from XRP in a single episode. While Bart Simpson is writing XRP to $589 on the chalkboard throughout the episode, they maintain a high level of confidence regarding the XRP explosion and its promising future. Within the context of this episode, a son and his father are having a conversation about the boy's father's retirement plans and lifestyle. As the conflict becomes more intense, his child tells his father, "Don't lose sight of Ripple." A second boy was born to them and they named him Ripple. Following that, he proceeds to explain to his father that Ripple is the reason why they are able to afford to live the way that they do. The boy saying to his father over and over again, "Please don't forget about Ripple." Before XRP achieves new heights, the Simpsons are dropping a significant hint we should collect as many XRP tokens as we can in order to secure the funds necessary to fund our dream lifestyle. Additionally, it is important to point out that the Simpsons have made references to XRP in the past, so this is not the first or second time that they have done so. I believe it was at least a year ago. While a character was presenting cryptocurrencies to a group of people, there is a lab that looks like the XRP logo or the Ripple logo in the background. The lab was conducting experiments with many projects at the same time. Taking into consideration these evidence, it would appear that XRP laboratories are continuously working to enhance XRP. This further highlights the commitment that XRP laboratories has to the future of the token as well as their aim to make XRP a money that is distributed all over the world. When it comes to the realm of technological advancement, XRP possesses all of the essential characteristics. Does it appear like the future will be more similar to what the Simpsons predicted? We would want to make it clear that we are not attempting to sell you any stocks or offer you any kind of financial advice through this channel. The entirety of this is only a channel via which instructional information can be delivered directly to your doorstep. Take precautions against con artists. We will never ask for payment, whether it is through WhatsApp or any other platform entirely. Keep your distance from the button.